Hi, it's Doug Dane. Listen, you are selling yourself short. Here's a daily tip from my book, Mistaken Identity. I believe everybody struggles or suffers or limits themselves from their mistaken identity. And in today's tip, I want to talk to you about how you're selling yourself short. So if you're an employee, you work at a company, you're definitely selling yourself short. You could be selling your time for much more than what you feel that you are worth. So your mistaken identity assesses your self-worth both in your life, in your career, at your company. And so definitely I know you're worth a lot more. And I think you know that too. And so you could be earning more in a better position within your company. You could be creating opportunities within your company where you could earn more and do better. Or, of course, there's better opportunities outside of your company in the marketplace where you could be selling your time, your gifts, your talents, your experience, your wisdom for a heck of a lot more. If you're an entrepreneur or solopreneur, small business owner, you're selling yourself short. Chances are you're not charging enough. You could be just increase your prices. You could double your prices and double your income. There's all kinds of things that you could be doing where you could be earning more and growing your business more. Your mistaken identity limits your view on ideas that you could create to expand your business, grow your business, multiply your business, open up multiple locations, bring on more people. There's all kinds of limitations you have because of your mistaken identity. And if you work for a company running a team of people, if you're leading a team of people, if you're a manager, a sales manager, an executive, a CEO, you're selling yourself short and you're selling your people short because you have your own limited viewpoint on what you think the people are capable of. You have your own limiting viewpoint on what you think you and your team are capable of. You might use the marketplace as a measurement. You might be using your financial statements as a measurement. You might be looking at past performance of the company as a measurement, and that's a mistaken view on how to grow your business. And like I said, you might be looking at your employees and you're mistaken about them. They've got a mistaken identity and you do have a mistaken view on them. So if they're mistaken about their capability and their talents and they're struggling or suffering in any way, shape, or form, then your view will be mistaken about them too. There's no way around it. So I'm running a workshop on this Friday, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the idea is teaching people an unconventional path to success in their career. And what I mean by unconventional is the way that I've discovered how to really set yourself free. It's nothing new, but it's unconventional because not many people are taking this approach. Everybody's taking a much different approach, the typical traditional approach, the conventional approach, the path of the masses. But there's actually a more simple, elegant way that's been here the whole time that nobody really pays much attention to. Why? Because we weren't taught to pay attention to it. And so I want to show you why you're selling yourself short and how to change that very, very quickly and then move you into action, give you a simple blueprint and a simple plan to take off. Because when you eliminate your mistaken identity, you start to see yourself for who you really are. The truth about yourself is revealed, and you start to see actually your true talents, your gifts, your value, your self-worth, what you do deserve, and that will get you to stop selling yourself short so you can do more, enjoy life more, and life just gets better. So join me on Friday, 10 a.m. Click the link that was in the email. If you're watching the video here on YouTube, click the link in the description, and I'd love to see you there on Friday. Thank you.